Hello everyone present here. Welcome to my channel Study Lovers on the Way to Success. This is me Nisha Kaushik presenting here the very important topic Biosketch writing part 2. Earlier we have done the first part covering the biosketches of Mahatma Gandhi along with Vishwanathan Anand, the master of chess. Okay, so in this video we will be dealing with the biosketch of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th American president, and his achievements in his life. Okay, so let us start the class. Here we have question. Here is the picture first, and the question is, on the basis of the information provided in the box below, write a short biosketch of Abraham Lincoln. But before discussing the biosketch of Abraham Lincoln, let me revise you what we have did in earlier video. Okay, what is this biosketch about? Students, actually biosketch is like biography of someone but written within a paragraph. Biosketch is written by who researched everything about the person to whom we are writing the biosketch. Okay, starting from his birth to his death, all the major events, research and contributions to the society should be mentioned in the paragraph, but in a very brief statement. So we can say it's a small biography of a person. We generally make biosketches of great personalities, like we have done yesterday also, Mahatma Gandhi, okay, and that Vishwanathan Anand. Today we are dealing with the biosketch of Abraham Lincoln. He is also a great personality, American president he was, and he was assassinated by a person who shot him dead in the theater when he was watching the performance in theater with his wife, and it was a great tragedy to America and to the world also. So without wasting our time, let us start the session today and let us know how we can write a biosketch in an effective manner, and very easy it will be going to learn. Okay, so let us start the class. And here we are given some clues. He was born in 1809 in northern Kentucky. If I talk about his family, father was a wealthy farmer, lost his land when Lincoln was just 7 years old, moved to Indiana, and his mother died when he was just 9. Family moved to Illinois soon after. Here are the clues of only, students, and we need to make a paragraph by covering all the statement given here. Education. Yes, education is the main thing. Little formal education he got, loved to read. He was self-made man actually. Studied law by reading law books. Became a lawyer in 1837, Springfield, Illinois. Political career. Yes, he had a great political career. Began early, served in state legislature in the US House of Representatives. Okay, he was from House of Representatives. He was a gifted speaker, speeches against slavery. Yes, he played a major role in abolishment of slavery system in America. White people purchased black people and they tortured them very much, and this made trouble to Abraham Lincoln. He did not like that system at all, so he fought against it and he won this battle actually. Nomination for presidency, won in 1860 and re-elected in 1864. Yes, if I talk about his death, assassinated by John Wilkes Booth on April 15, 1865. It was the Black Day for the America, remembered for his wisdom, compassion, and patriotism. Now we are on the bio-sketch of Abraham Lincoln. We can write in this manner. We have seen the clues. Now we are able to make the bio-sketch of Abraham Lincoln. And here is the answer. 1809. In 1809, Abraham Lincoln was born to a wealthy farmer family in northern Kentucky. When he was just 7 years old, his father lost his farming land and the family moved to Indiana. At the age of 9 years old, after his mother passed away, his family moved to Illinois for a livelihood. Okay, the second tragedy he faced. Abraham had little formal education but had a strong interest in books and learning. He went to school for some time actually, but after that he created his interest in reading book on his own, and he made a beautiful life. He studied law books as his own and started his career as a lawyer in 1837, Springfield, Illinois. He soon moved into politics and served in state legislature in the US House of Representatives. I told you earlier also, he was from House of Representatives. He was a talented orator, a good speaker. In his speeches, he talked about abolition of slavery. Finally, he was nominated and became the president in 1860. Okay. In 1864, he was re-elected as president, and he was shot dead by John Wilkes Booth on April 15, 1865. Abraham Lincoln is often remembered for his wisdom, compassion, and patriotism that led him to the nation's highest office. Okay. So you need to write only the main things, don't elaborate so much. Bio-sketch is like a brief summary of a person written in a very neat manner. Don't elaborate much. Okay. So here we have completed the bio-sketch of Abraham Lincoln. Okay. Thank you all and happy learning. If you liked my video, so like it. If you want more videos from my side, then you please subscribe. It's not a compulsion. If you like it, then subscribe. If not, then please give me a suggestion how to improve it. Okay, and comment in a comment box, and please share with your friends who really need this video. Okay, so time to say bye bye. Take care. See you soon in my next video. Keep in touch.